Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Maryssa.w here. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Now, I have a surprise for y'all. For y'all who know me, all my fellow subscribers, y'all know I use the same products all the time. For my wash and go, shampoo, conditioner, all that. Y'all know I use the same products, okay? But today I have a surprise. In this video, I will be featuring CurlMix Wash and Go Kit. Comes with a shampoo, conditioner, a moisturizer, and a gel. And thank you to CurlMix for sending me these products. I'm so excited to try them. This is their packaging. Comes with this little pamphlet. Oh, the black girl magic. I love it. And all have beautiful hair. I just love it. And on this little pamphlet, it just has instructions on how to use the CurlMix products. In this video, I'm using steps 3 and 4, which is the moisturizer and the flaxseed gel. I did get the watermelon fragrance smell, and it smells really, really good. They sent me this little brush, which is like a detangling brush, and then I also have this bottle that they sent me. I'm glad that they sent it to me because it's like a mister. Y'all gonna see when I use it to apply my products. So yeah, y'all, that's what I was sent. Already showed y'all in the first video where I shampooed and conditioned my hair. Make sure you check that video out. It'll be down below in the description. So if you guys are ready to see how I applied these products to my hair to achieve this beautiful wash and go, then stay tuned and keep watching. So we are about to begin steps 3 and 4 of the CurlMix wash and go system. The first one, step 3, is the hair growth moisturizer, avocado moisturizer. And then I have the hair growth flaxseed gel, which is step 4. So my hair is kind of dry because, you know, I had to take my little shower or whatever. So we finna get this hair soaked so that we can start putting the moisture in. And like I showed y'all earlier, I've got this little spray bottle. Ooh, my hair smells so good. It smells so good. It feels so soft. All right, I'm excited. Let's get started. I always start off down the middle. Y'all know this. I split my hair into sections, which is also the CurlMix method as well. It's basically shampooing, conditioning, moisturizer, and then the gel. I'm just gonna spray this section really, really well. And this is step number 3, so I'm gonna open the bottle. I haven't opened this one yet. Oh, and it looks like that. It's kind of got a green little hint to it, but it's kind of thick, like, but it's kind of falling. You see, it reminds me of like a milk, like a hair milk. It definitely smells like watermelon, I have to say. Yeah, it smells, the fragrance is on point. Y'all, that was a good gasp, not a bad gasp. That was a good gasp. When I tell y'all, this is making my hair feel so silky. Do y'all see what this is doing to my hair? Oh my gosh. Okay, and another thing, finger through your hair. You want to finger comb it as you are putting the products through, like so. It's so slick, like slippery. It's very slippery. I've never used a product that's like this for my wash and go. I've never used this before. I'm gonna split one more section, like basically just split this back section into 2. And then look at how my curls are like just coming together. They look so cute. While I'm still on this section, we're gonna add in the flaxseed gel. So this was just 1 pump of the gel, very liquidy, see? But got the same little hint to it. It's like a greenish kind of hint. Definitely still smells like watermelon. But I'm gonna just put this on top. So this is not like an ordinary gel. It's like a, I don't know, a looser kind of gel. I've never used nothing like this before on my hair. I think I can move on to the next section. It feels like so hydrated and moisturized. And I'm literally repeating the same steps using the moisturizer and then the flaxseed gel. I'm excited because it's giving me different vibes. It's giving me something I never did before vibes, and I like it. All right, so I'm gonna move on to the next section. I won't really talk as much through these because it's the same thing, but if I have any other tips or thoughts that come to my mind, I will let y'all know. It's like it it detangles my hair at the same time. I feel like this product, this can be used like, not necessarily used as a conditioner, but the consistency reminds me of a really good conditioner. Using step 4 again. So always, I'm starting from the ends. That's just how you have to brush your hair. Ooh. Alright, so I'm gonna use this for the rest of my head. Okay, so after going through each section, brushing it through with the beautiful brush that CurlMix gave me, I'm finally going to do the last step, which is diffuse my hair for as long as possible until it dries. We are just going to let my hair just kind of dry for the rest of the evening. I'm going to catch y'all in the morning because my arm getting tired of holding that diffuser. So I'm going to catch y'all in the morning with the final look, okay? Alright y'all, it's the next morning and as you can see, my hair looks totally different than last night because I used this blow dryer to stretch the roots of my hair. This is what all of my hair pretty much looks like really short and shrunken. I didn't want that, so all I did was blow dry this so that it can look more full like this. So that's what I'm about to do. And I'm not sure if maybe I had a little bit too much water or too much product, but I do see a few flakes in my hair. Not used to that either. But again, like maybe if you add some kind of oil to your routine with the wash and go kit from CurlMix, you can probably just diminish those flakes. So y'all, this is the final look. Y'all already saw it in the beginning, but I need to just let y'all know my final thoughts. Now that my hair is like styled and everything, I think my hair feels drier than normal, but it still feels so soft and it's bouncy. Like it just feels like it's full of life. And like I mentioned to y'all earlier, I do see like a little bit of flakes here and there. I don't know if that was due to how I applied the products. Maybe I used a little bit too much water. Maybe I used too much product. You know, maybe there's a balance to it. So I don't know. But as the day goes by, it really isn't that noticeable and it's not really looking bad at all. In fact, it looks really, really cute and I'm very happy with it. So thank you to CurlMix for sending me those products. I love my hair. I hope y'all love my hair as well. So if you want to check them out, make sure you do that. Like this video if you like this video. Comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Maryssa.w. It'll be here on the screen and down below in the description box. Without further ado, that's it for this video. These videos featuring CurlMix Wash and Go Kit. I enjoyed this collaboration. I'm so appreciative for them sending me these products. And that's just it, y'all. There will be more videos to come, so make sure you stay tuned. I love y'all and thank you for watching. Bye.